Welcome to SuperRigs.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oof. Carolina Crush.
Yeah, how are you, sir?
I'm doing fine. Hope you are.
Good.
Good to see you.
Cool truck.
Thank you, sir.
Tell me about it.
Well, it's a 69 It's got a 335 Cummins, a 6 and 4-speed spider transmission. 390 rear. Tell me when you're ready.
Look at that. Oh, God.
Pardon me? Wow. What's that got to do with it?
Wow, look at that. So cool, such great detail with the upholstery.
The outside was done. I had a guy down in South Carolina to do this and do the engine, did the floorboard,
Yeah.
all the stuff on the back. He did that.
Okay.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah.
So you just went with the same team and just went on?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did I just hand paint it over?
He did.
Wow.
He did. We did this. We did that.
Wow.
He put my wife's name and my name on the rear end. I put my name on it. It comes up.
People want to know, what is a super rig? This is the one right
Yes,
here.
yes.
You know?
Yes. I can get down like 4 flats on a Cadillac with this right here. That is crazy with the loop.
Yes, sir.
I mean, that's insane. Right
What's that, Eric?
But
That's crazy work right there.
Oh,
That
it's
is-
pinstriping?
The pinstriping?
I
That's nice.
love that.
Yeah.
He just,
Sorry, my eyes.
Nice
he
light
just
panel.
does it, and he says, if you don't like it, I'll take it off. And he just do some cleaning.
you know that takes special talent
Yeah.
that I have none of.
That's a totally different brain.
Yes, that is I guess that's a left brain or right brain. That's not my brain.
Yeah.
What is the color of the paint?
It's a sunset.
California orange?
Yeah, there you go.
You put a paintbrush in my hand, you're going to get a stick figure at best, and not a good one.
Because it's like a shiny orange, right?
It's
Yeah,
got pearl in it. But
It got pearl in it? Okay.
glows.
It glows,
they
that thing
told me
hurts
that
my eyes.
I checked the cab. They said it's supposed to be a house of color. That'll paint it.
Okay.
It's hard to match. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
Cool. You got the inside all polished out.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yeah.
Man, you know how to show. It's not your first time showing, is it?
No.
It ain't your first rodeo.
I ain't been doing it long. 'Cause
No?
I just retired in 22.
Yeah. Are you a trucker your whole life?
50 years.
Really?
Yes, sir.
What kind of trucking did you do?
I did produce to start with. I done 18 years of cattle hauling out
Oh,
west.
wow.
And went back to produce. Ended up
Okay.
on the produce wagon out of Florida.
All right.
I had a flat top with a C16 in it with a spread axle stainless reefer. I showed his some
Okay.
before it was sold out. bought this.
You ever got a you have a cool CB handle?
I don't know, it's Tombstone.
Tombstone.
Knocked one over in the graveyard one time. My brother-in-law called me that after I knocked
Okay.
it over on me.
Okay.
Wow. Very nice.
Well, alrighty. How we doing?
Absolutely wonderful. How about you?
Good. I'm doing all right. I don't know if you were the guy I met at Matt's. I said to you, make sure you come to SuperRigs. I don't know if you were the guy.
You couldn't remember the truck? I don't remember.
Oh, I
the
remember
Peter.
the truck.
Well, then that'd been it.
Yeah.
What is it?
The 71 Peterbilt 288A.
288A.
It'd be a 358 if it was a tandem.
So it had a max.
And an A stands for aluminum frame
Okay.
on the model number.
Okay. What's it got in it?
400 Cummins, 4-speed main, 4-speed auxiliary, 308 ratio rear end.
She goes, huh? She goes, huh?
We thought, my little brother, we didn't know how low geared that main was going to be. Went down to our junkyard, get the rear end for it, and we found one out from underneath the automatic truck, 308. He said, you have to get pushed to get started. I said, well, we don't know how low geared them going to be. I said, we'll try it with that. Works out pretty good. You can shift the auxiliary up in the forward about 72.
Oh, wow.
71. Yeah. So, yeah, they call them some cars.
Ready?
Yeah. Comments.
Oh shoot! Look at that.
There's none on the firewall. It's not a fake firewall. I run it all up through the can, drop it off the